Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to move your Windows 11 taskbar to any side of your screen. For this, you need to download a freeware app that is known as a Start All Back. Once you download it, double click to install it on your PC and then choose install for me or install for everyone according to your needs. Then once it is installed, you will notice the taskbar has been changed slightly. Right click on the free space on the taskbar. Here you will find the option lock the taskbar. Just uncheck this option. Once done, press and hold on the taskbar on the free space and then move it to your screen according to your needs, left, right, top or bottom. Like this you can move. Once you move the taskbar to the desired location, leave the cursor and your Windows 11 taskbar will sit there on that position. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.